Welcome to BMAC.MATH tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for freshly uploaded content. This is a question from CSIR NET 2019 December session. This is a question on real analysis from part B. Here we are given a set E on R2 of which we are to find the infimum of supremum. Now we know that the real number line is an ordered set and the infimum and supremum on any subset of the real line is defined with respect to that particular ordering. Now we know that R2 is not ordered set. So they have defined an ordering AB is pre-curly equals to CD if A is strictly less than C, or if not, then either A or A is equals to C, and in that case B should be less or equals to D. We will have to find the infimum and supremum of E if it exists with respect to this ordering. Now let us first find the supremum of E. Let the supremum of E be A0, B0. Then 1 by n, 1 minus 1 by n is pre-curly equals to A0, B0 for all n belonging to real number line. We consider two cases. Case 1, when n is strictly greater than 1. Then 1 by n is strictly less than 1. So 1 by n comma 1 minus 1 by n is pre-curly equals to 1 comma B0 for all n greater than 1 and any real number B0. Whatever may be the value of B0, since 1 by n is strictly less than 1 and the definition of this relation, so this holds for all n greater than 1. So the supremum is somewhat like 1 comma B0 for any real number B0. We now consider case 2. When n is equals to 1, then 1 by n, 1 comma 1 by n, 1 comma B0, we will find the value of B0. Now for n equals to 1, 1 by n is equals to 1, so we will use this condition. 1 by n is less equals to B0. Now since in this case n is equals to 1, so 1 minus 1 by 1, which is 0, B is greater equals to 0. The minimum value of B0, the minimum possible value of B0 is 0. Thus 1 by n, 1 comma 1 by n is pre-curly equals to 1 comma 0 for all natural numbers n. Hence supremum of E is 1 comma 0 and hence options 3 and 4 are ruled out. Now we will consider the infimum case. Let infimum of E is equals to some C0 D0. Thus C0 D0 is pre-curly equals to 1 by n comma 1 minus 1 by n for all n natural numbers. This means that either C0 is strictly less than 1 by n or C0 is equals to 1 by n and D0 less equals to 1 minus 1 by n. If C0 is strictly less than 1 by n, C0 strictly less than 1 by n, then since we know that 1 by n is a decreasing sequence of real numbers whose infimum value is 0, then if we take the value of C0 as 0, then 0 comma D0 is pre-curly equals to 1 by n, 1 minus 1 by n for all n belongs to n and for any value of D0. Whatever may be the value of D0, 0 comma D0 is pre-curly equals to 1 by n, 1 minus 1 by n for any n belongs to n. But this we have found considering only the case C less than 1 by n. And we have got C0 less than 1 by n, and we have got C0 is equals to 0. But there does not exist any natural number which gives us this. So this case is discarded for C0 is equals to 0. Thus the infimum is of this form for any value of D0, but this gives infinitely many values of the infimum, which is not possible. Hence infimum of E does not exist and 2 is the correct option.